chosen this urban safari look from Alex Marie. The linen jacket and cropped pants are perfect for spring and summer. And there you can see what that tee really looks like. Yellow's a hot color for spring. Gives an extra pop to this great looking American suit. And her yellow shoes are by PCBG.
Her Copper Canyon look and a true khaki eyeliner to go with the safari look for summer.
Now we're going to talk about Alexia's outfit. So Alexia, if you'll come down for us. Her dress is by Mary Bishop. This dress features brightly colored polka dots and a ribbon sash. The petticoat gives this already adorable sundress some extra pizzazz. Very nice. Would you like to see it for us? All right. Thank you. You look great.